When it comes to compact SUVs, two of the biggest names go head-to-head: the 2026 Mazda CX-50 and the 2026 Toyota Rav4. One is built for driving feel and premium vibes. The other is built for efficiency and everyday reliability. So which one should you actually choose? Let's start with the 2026 Mazda CX-50. Right away, the CX-50 stands out because it's designed to feel more premium and sporty than most compact SUVs. It comes standard with all-wheel drive on every trim, which is something you usually have to pay extra for on competitors. Under the hood, you've got options. The base engine makes around 187 horsepower, while the turbocharged version jumps up to about 256 horsepower, giving it a noticeable performance boost. And if you go hybrid, it uses a system similar to Toyota's, producing around 219 horsepower with all-wheel drive standard. When it comes to trims, Mazda gives you a wide range from Select, Preferred, Premium, and Premium Plus, all the way up to Turbo and Hybrid trims. Pricing starts around $31,000 to $33,000, and can climb into the low $40,000 range depending on how loaded you go. Inside, this is where the CX-50 really shines. It has a more upscale interior, better materials, and a driver-focused layout, making it feel closer to a luxury SUV than most competitors. But there are trade-offs. It's not the most fuel-efficient, and cargo space isn't class-leading either. Now let's talk about the 2026 Toyota Rav4. The Rav4 takes a completely different approach. For 2026, it's now hybrid-only, focusing heavily on fuel efficiency and daily usability. Power comes from a 2.5-liter hybrid system making around 226 horsepower in FWD or 236 horsepower with AWD, so it's not slow, but it's not built for sporty driving either. Where it really stands out is efficiency. The Rav4 can get up to around 44 mpg combined, which is significantly better than most competitors, including the CX-50. When it comes to trims, Toyota gives you a lot of options like LE, SE, SLE Premium, Woodland, X, and Limited, plus plug-in hybrid versions on higher trims. Pricing starts around $31,900 to about $33,000, and can go up to the mid-40K range depending on trim and hybrid setup. Inside, it's practical and modern, with plenty of space and tech, but it doesn't feel as premium as the CX-50. So here's the real difference. The Mazda CX-50 is for people who want a more engaging drive, standard all-wheel drive, and a premium-feeling interior. It's the SUV you pick if you actually enjoy driving. The Toyota Rav4 is for people who want maximum efficiency, reliability, and flexibility with trims and hybrid options. It's built to be the perfect daily SUV, so which one should you choose? If you want something that feels a little more luxury and sporty, go with the CX-50. But if you want something that's efficient, proven, and easy to live with every day, the Rav4 is hard to beat. At the end of the day, it comes down to one simple question. Do you want a compact SUV that's fun to drive? Or one that's built to save you money every single day?